Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone cellular data not working. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that your cellular data is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to open the settings app, then go to general, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. So you have to make sure that you have an independent software update for your iPhone. If you find an independent software update, just try to update your software. After updating, you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix the minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, it is the only way. You have to simply open your settings app, then go to general, and here go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings, so if there will be any network issue or your network setting issue, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. But if your cellular data has is not working after your iOS update and it's still not working after resetting your network settings, so it will be fixed after downgrading your iOS version. So this is the only way. So you cannot fix this, or you can also try to report a problem to Apple Support team. So you have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. So let's open your Support app here, and here just wait for the loading, and then select your iPhone. Select this more option, and here you have to look for the cellular service. If you can't find your cellular data, so you can also select the eSIM or SIM option and then wait for this loading here. Then select this get more help and tap on call us. After that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.